Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Boombox Charm in Fish It Roblox Classic Event Update. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to show you where you can buy the Boombox Charm. I'm going to go to the quest menu and we're going to open up the Classic Event quest. Okay, and here is where you can buy the Boombox Charm. You need 2,000 ticks to buy this charm. Okay, and I'm going to buy it guys. Okay, I just got the Boombox Charm and we can use the charm to help us fishing. And if you want to get the Tix Coins, all you need to do is just fishing, but you need to fish at the classic island. Okay, now I'm at the fisherman island and we can use the teleport feature to go to the classic island. Okay, I'm teleporting now. All right, and then we can go to the fishing spot or the fishing area, and then we just need to do fishing guys to get the Tix coin. You can do fishing to get the Tix as much as you can. Okay, right here. You can cast your rod and start fishing to get Tix coins to buy the Boombox Charm. Okay guys, and that's how we can get the Boombox Charm in Fish It Roblox Classic Event Update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!